Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making coleslaw. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need green cabbage, red cabbage, carrots, red onion, lemon, sugar, white vinegar, mayo, Dijon mustard, salt, and black pepper. Begin by thinly slicing 1/2 of green cabbage. Next, thinly slice about 1/4 of red cabbage. Thinly slice about 1/2 of red onion. In a bowl, add the sliced cabbage and onions. Grate 1 carrot. Combine the ingredients. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of mayo. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Next, add 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. Add the juice of 1 lemon. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. Season to taste with salt and pepper. Whisk until smooth. Pour a generous amount of dressing on the slaw. Toss the slaw. And there you have it, coleslaw. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.